Hi there, welcome to Deepak's Kitchen. This is Deepak Kshatriya. Today I'm going to show you one of the best proteinicious breakfast recipe, that's Anda Bhurji. Egg Bhurji, or you can call it as a spicy version of Indian scrambled egg. This is going to be very easy, and be sure that in this video I'm going to show you a secret ingredient which will enhance the taste of this recipe to a fourfold. So without further ado, let's see how this is done. Make this awesome Anda Bhurji or the Egg Bhurji, these are the only ingredients what we require. And those are 3 medium-sized finely chopped onion, 3 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes, 6 green chilies finely chopped, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, butter nearly 3 tablespoons, salt to taste, 6 eggs, a secret ingredient which I am going to reveal in the video. Here I have taken a bowl and I am going to break the egg into this bowl. In this I am going to add a little bit of a salt. And now let's whisk this egg. Now this is perfect, let's keep this aside. Here I kept a pan to heat. In this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. And in this I am going to add this finely chopped onions. And here you go, you need to just sweat the onions. You just need to cook the onions till it gets translucent. The onions are looking somewhat translucent. At this time we'll add the green chilies, the chopped ginger, and the required amount of salt and the black pepper, and saute them until the raw smell of the ginger goes away. And now look, it's been nearly 2 minutes. Now we'll add the finely chopped tomatoes and let it cook until the oil floats on the top. And now look, all the sides are leaving the oil or the butter. This is the right time to add in the chili powder. As I told you, the secret ingredient for this is the Maggi Magic Masala. Add a packet full of this. This gives you an excellent taste for this. If you want, you can add some pav bhaji masala also and give this a nice mix. And now it's done. Spread this and add the egg. And give this a nice mix. Make sure you keep the flame to a medium. And here you go. You saute it until you get the desired consistency of your scrambled eggs, and this is perfect for my liking. And now for the final, I will add some chopped coriander leaves and I will finish off the dish. Give it a final mix and then we'll finish off the dish. And here you go, my style Anda Bhurji or the Egg Bhurji is ready to serve. If you haven't yet already subscribed to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon, touch the notifications to all, then only you will get every updates of ours. Hope you guys like this video. We'll catch you in next one. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak Shatya signing off on Jai Hind. Namaskar.